You got these brass zippers. Sometimes they go bad and they won't stay zipped. This one doesn't like to stay up near the top, and it will come undone like that by itself. Should be locked, but it's not. So let me show you one of the tricks you can use when your zipper doesn't want to stay locked. First, let's see how this works and what's going wrong. You can see there's the brass zipper pull right there, and then this piece right here is a silver colored piece. And you notice that when I lift this up, this piece right here goes up too. And this piece, it's hard to see, but right there it's got a little finger that goes down into here, and it grabs the teeth. And it's not supposed to let it go up and down. If it doesn't go down in there far enough, then it will slide, and it'll slide over the teeth, and the zipper will come down by itself. So in this zipper, what's happened is, you can see back here, see that gap right in there? It's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be pressed down on there, and then these two brass ears fold over to hold that thing in place. Now they don't fold over too far because you can break them off, but they just fold over a bit to hold that in place, and as you can see, it's lifted up. So the finger isn't going down as far as it should. So let's go fix that. Now the strategy here is I'm going to use some pliers or forceps or something to squeeze this back in place, and then I'm going to simply squeeze these over gently, not too much because you don't want to break them off, and then you've got to buy a new zipper. But I'm going to squeeze them over so that they hold this silver part right here down into place. So what I'm going to do here, I'm not sure I can show it live on camera because everything keeps moving around, but I'm going to squeeze this piece back down here. I'm going to take another pair of pliers up here and squeeze those two brass things together to hold it. And there we go. It's sitting down there a lot tighter than it was before. Now if this doesn't do it, what I need to do is go and replace the zipper. But okay, so I go like that, and yes, it's grabbing. So okay, so there's one trick to fixing a zipper that doesn't want to stay up. One of these brass zippers like on jeans and such. Well, anyway, hope you found it useful and interesting.